welcome back to the channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be all about this cute little date night look right here. You know, if you are if you've been a subscriber for a little bit of time, then you know that I love a good date night look. I will link my date night looks up in the cards for you, but I also want to try out some new products. And what I can say so far, I've had my makeup on for a little bit of time, not a lot, but I can say that I really like them. I really like them. So the new products, we're just going to delve right into the video, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about them while I'm applying my makeup. So let's get into the video. I wanted to try some new products, so I have them right here. I have the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. So I have this, and I also have their Ultimate Setting Powder. So I'm going to use this under my eyes. If you watch my videos, you know I'm a Laura Mercier girl, but I wanted to try this because I really like Patrick Starr's collaboration with MAC when he did the setting powder with them. So I'm like, you know, if this is his brand, he's all about glam. You know he's definitely going to be about, his setting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a little bit of glow. Like I said, it is date night. And I usually would spray my setting mist on, but because this is my first time using that, I'm not going to spray that. I'm just going to spray it at the end and see how it does. But I'm going to put on my liquid glow, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. But I'm just putting this on like the highlighted areas of my face. You see how that's giving me a beautiful lit from within glow. And I'm just kind of like, really like blending that out. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer. Just a tad bit for contour. While my concealer is setting, I'm going to blend that out. And while I'm blending out, I also want to read you a little bit about the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent. It's a super fine 14-hour long wear blurring setting powder made for a light bake to a heavy cake. So it's saying it can do both. It is vegan. The directions say to dust with a powder brush and bake with a puff for a soft matte finish with no flashback. This is what the packaging looks like. One size, and then I got the mini size, the mini trial size. So yeah, it's like your translucent powder. It's a pretty color. So I'm just going to set this down right here while I finish letting my concealer set and blending. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend my concealer. I'm gonna just tap it in like that. While that is setting, I'm going to add in my blush. And I'm using the Rare Beauty blush in the color Grace. So I'm going to be using this. So now that we have like our face pretty much finished, I feel like I want a little bit more blush. So I'm going to do that. Just a tad bit more. And then I'm going to, I do have to put on my finishing powder, which I like to use the Sephora Micro Smooth, so I am going to go in with that, but I'm not going to go in like under my eyes because of course I want to see what the is going to do without interruption in that area. So my face is finished and I have the On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. So a couple of its claims is makeup insurance for 16 hours, locking your beat until you're ready to sleep, waterproof, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and smudge-proof, oil and shine control. Infused with texture-solving ingredients, micro-layer seal technology locks in makeup, green tea extract controls shine, witch hazel absorbs oil for that blurred matte finish, and it says for you to shake it well before each use. Keep eyes closed during application, hold 10 to 12 inches from your face, spray in a circular motion for even distribution. So it's pretty clear about what you gotta do. The 46 milliliter, it's a 1 ounce. So it's pretty compact, it fits in my hand, and it says to shake before each use, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then it has like a little spray nozzle that I'm gonna spray it all. It's strong. It's strong. Yeah, it's really strong. It really didn't feel like, okay, well, when you hold it, you don't feel like anything's going on your face. Of course, when you spray it at a closer distance, you do see the product, but from the 10 to 12 inches, you don't really feel it, so that's a good thing. I know sometimes people with setting sprays, they are afraid to use too much because they don't want to drench their makeup and ruin it. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. I really do appreciate the support. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. It helps get my videos to more eyeballs. And we definitely want that, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and comment down below if you've tried any of the One Size products, if you like them, if you have some other recommendations for me. I would love to know. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family, because we're trying to grow the family over this channel. I share beauty, lifestyle, and inspirational content, so if that sounds like your thing, I encourage you, if you're new here, to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Just become a part of the family. I would love to have you. I know the other subscribers would love to have you as well. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I have a new video go live, which my videos go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But if you feel like I'm not going to remember that, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you're hitting all notifications so you don't miss out on an upload. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!